my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want us to do a live video how you can create video by yourself using AI, how you can make videos using AI. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a practical aspect, step-by-step video, how you can create videos by yourself using your smartphone or your laptop. So I want us to get started right now. Now, just give me a minute so that we'll get started. Now, let me plug my phone so that we can get started. So, please hold on. No, let me flip it back. Let's make it something like this. Now, I hope you guys are still with me. We are using our back camera. So, hope you guys are seeing everything. So, this is the live video. So, I'm going to play it right now so that you guys are going to see it.
Was standing in a modern living room with her mother, and she said to her mother, I want to go and what ChatGPT gave to me. Now, as you can see everything here. Now, as you can see, it says, this is my first video scene. As you can see, this is the second scene, the third scene, the fourth scene. Every scene was separated according to the way I want it to be. Let me show you how I prompt everything. At the end of the video here, I say, please, each should be 6 seconds because Grok AI only generates 8-second video scene. Make it realistic movie, not 3D. So as you can see, that is what I stated here, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. The entire scene, next thing I have over to Grok AI. Previous video. If you are coming to my channel for the first time and you don't know anything about Grok AI is an AI model. It's an AI tool which you can generate image to video, and you can also generate videos. So this is what I generate with Grok AI. What you just have to do is just to register on Grok AI, and when you register on Grok AI, the next thing you have to do is to click on this imagine here. And when you click on imagine here, this is where we are going to start generating our entire video stream. This is how we are going to start generating it, and I'm going to show you how you can also start creating the video so that it will look consistency without missing anything. Yes, without missing anything. So make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, after you come to this interface like this, when you click on imagine here, the first thing you have to do is to head over to back to ChatGPT. Now on ChatGPT, we copy our first scene here. This is our first scene. So we copy from settings here, as you can see. We copy it here down. We click on copy. And after we click on copy, we go back to Grok AI. Now on Grok AI, we are going to paste it here, as you can see. But before that, make sure you set it here. You set your video ratio to 3.2, and also you set here to video so that it will be generating video for us. Now the next thing we are going to do is to paste the prompt we just copied here. Now after we pasting, just less than 1 minute, AI is going to generate our. So let's click on continue. Now we have clicked on continue. Let's just give it some minutes, less than 1 minute, and Grok AI is going to generate our video for us. So make sure you pay attention, because right now I'm going to show you how you can create the video to be long video so that it will not miss the part and it will not miss everything. I will show you how you are going to do it. So make sure you pay attention very well, because a lot of people just don't know how to do it. So make sure you pay attention. Now, as you can see, this is what it gave to me. This is my result. As you can see, this is my result. Now, for me to be able to create the long video, all I just have to do is to post the video. After I post the video, the next thing I have to do is to move this to the end of the video. Move this to the end of the video. Now, after I move it to the end of the video like this, the next thing I have to do is to right click, and when I right click, and when I right click, you are going to see where it says copy video frame. So the next thing you have to do is to click on copy video frame. And when you click on copy video frame, our result here, as you can see, this is our result. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to move this to the end of this video, so that the video will continue from where it stopped. Because Grok AI only generates 6-second video, and we want to generate over 1 minute video. So after you move this to the end of the video like this, the next thing you are going to do is to right click. After you click on right click on your laptop or your desktop, you copy, as you can see, say copy video frame. You click on that, and after you click on that, the next thing you are going to do is to move back. When you move back, you are going to paste what you just copied right now here again. You click on paste, and it's going to paste the frame which you just copied. You are going to paste it here. You click on. You are going to paste it here. Now, after you successfully paste it here, the next thing you are going to do, as you can see, this is the frame. This is the frame, so that the video will continue from where it stopped. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. Now, we copy our second video scene, which is here. As you can see, this is our scene 2. This is our scene 2. Our scene 2. We tap on it and we click on copy. After we click on copy, we go back to Grok AI again. Now, as you can see, and we paste our prompt here. Click on, and we click on generate. And after we click on generate, it's going to generate the video for us in less than 1 minute, so that the video will continue from where it stopped. Now, let me play from where it stopped. Now, this is the video. As you can see, this is the video. This is the video. Now, let me play the first scene for you guys so that you understand what I mean now, right now. Let me play the first scene. Let's go back. This is our first scene here. as you can see. Now this is the video. As you guys can see, this is the video. This is the second scene here, as you can see, where it worked out where she. Now this is the second scene here where she walked out from the house. Now let me show you something so that you get it right. Now let's go back to the first scene we generated. Let's go back to the first scene so that you guys understand. Now this is the first scene we generated. This is the first scene. This is the first scene we generated. You are going to see it right now. Now as you can see, when she talked to her mom and she walked away. Now as you can see, immediately when she talked to her mom, she walked away. Now you are going to see it right now, how it continues. Now let me show you the second scene here so that you understand what I mean. Now this is the second scene. You see where it starts, as you can see, where she walked away. Now the next thing you are going to do again, you use the same method, third scene, and to generate the third scene, all you have to do is to move this to the last part. When you move it to the last part again, as you can see, then you click on that, you right click, and when you right click, you are going to see, you right click, you go to copy video frame, and when you go to copy video frame, you go back again, and when you go back, you paste it here, the frame you copied right now, you paste it here, and after you paste it here, the next thing you are going to do is to go back to ChatGPT again. When you go back to ChatGPT, then you copy the third scene. As you can see, the third scene says drive in Lagos. So when you look at the third scene, it says certain busy street traffic, yellow boxes, downfall, roadside shops. She drives smoothly. So all you just have to do is just to copy it. When you copy it, you go back to Group AI. Now you paste it here and you click on generate, and it's going to generate the video from where it stopped. Now let's click on generate and see our result. Now this is our result. As you can see, this is our result. She come out from the house and she started driving. Now as you can see, this is our result. So this is how you are going to do all this scene, just the way I do a moment ago. Make sure you follow it, and you are going to create the entire scene. That is the method I use to create all this video scene you are seeing here. As you can see, this is the method I use to create the whole video scene. So after you create everything together, you create the video scene, create everything together. The next thing you are going to do is to head over to any of your video editing code you can use inside any video editing tool you like using. Now I use CapCut to edit my videos together, and we head over to CapCut. All you just have to do is just to add all the video clip together, and you add your transition in the transition type you want. You add your transition, you edit the video, and after you edit the video is going to look nice, just the way the one I play. The video is going to look nice. So the video is going to look nice. Now let me show you the final result one more time. So to create that type of video which you just watched a moment ago, all you have to do first, you go to head over to your ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to generate my video prompt. So as you can see, let me show you what I gave to ChatGPT and how ChatGPT generates the video prompt for me. Now, as you can see here, I gave ChatGPT this prompt. I said I want to generate 3D of a boy animation video using Grok AI. So I want you to write me the video scene with the consistency character consistency character should be talking about AI as a change word. You also, so this is what I just gave to ChatGPT, and this is the prompt ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, this is the prompt. As you can see, this is the scene 1. This is the scene 2. If you have been following my channel for long, you should have known how I usually generate my prompt and also how I usually generate my videos. So to generate that kind of long videos that you just watch, all you just have to do is just to give ChatGPT your video idea and tell ChatGPT to generate your video prompt for you, and ChatGPT is going to generate the video prompt. So successful ChatGPT generate the video prompt for you. The next thing you have to do is to go head over to your Grok AI. So Grok AI is an AI platform which we use to generate our videos. So as you can see, like this video scene, this is the video scene here. This is the video scene. So now let me take you guys back. Now log into your Grok AI. The first thing you have to do is to click on your profile icon here. And when you click on your profile icon, you click on settings. And when you click on settings, the next thing you are going to do is to click on behavior. Now on the behavior, make sure you locate what we call auto video generation. As you can see, auto video generation here, and you turn it off. We are turning this off because we don't want it to generate auto video for us. We want to be giving it prompt that you will be using to generate the video for us. So after you've done that, you go back. Now, next thing you are going to do is to click on imagine here. As you can see, you click on imagine. And when you click on imagine, it's going to bring you to your interface like this. Now, when it's brought you to an interface like this, the next thing you are going to do is to go and copy your video prompt. Now, we are going back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. We are going back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Now, let's copy our video prompt here. Let's copy our video prompt. Now, let's copy the prompt. As you can see, this is the character. As you can see, this is the 3D character. Now, what you have to do is just to copy from here like this. We copy down so that we copy our character. And after we copy our character, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to Grok AI. When we go back to Grok AI, we paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here. And we paste it here. First, we are going to generate our image. We are going to generate the image we are going to use. As you can see, image. So the next thing we are going to do is to click on continue. Now, when we click on continue, it's going to generate our image in less than 1 minute. Now it has successfully generated our image here. As you can see, this is the image. This is the image. This is the image. Now the next thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. We'll go back to ChatGPT so that we'll go and copy our first video prompt. Now, as you can see, this is our first video prompt here. This is our first video prompt. Now we'll copy here like this. We copy to this place. Now when we copy this, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to Grok AI again. On Grok. Now when we reach Grok AI, the next thing we are going to do, you are going to see where you are going to put your prompt here. The prompt will just copy right now. We paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here. Now after we paste it here, now we are going to change this to video here. And after we change it to video, the next thing we are going to do is to click on continue. And we click on continue, it's going to generate our video for us. So in less than some minutes, Grok AI is going to generate this video for us. Now after generating the video, let's play the video. Now it has successfully generated the video. Now let's play the video. You guys will see this is the video. As you can see, this is the video. This is the video with the sound, everything. This is the video. Now to create our next scene, click on download here, and we'll download this to our phone. Now, after we click on download and it downloads to our phone, we move this one to the end of the video. As you can see, this is the end of the video. Now, the next thing we are going to do, so that we can be able to create a long video with a consistency character, we'll do right click. And we'll click on right click. The next thing we are going to do is to click on copy video frame. Now, frame is going to copy the video frame. Now we go back here and we'll go back. We are going to paste that video frame we just copied. We paste it here. As you can see, we click on paste. And when we click on paste, it's going to paste the video frame here. And after it has successfully paste the video prompt, as you can see, it has successfully paste the video prompt. This is the video prompt. Now the next thing we are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Now this time we are copying our second scene. As you can see, we copy the second scene. We copy it. As you can see, we copy it. We copy our second video scene. Now, after we successful, now we copied. After we copy, we go back to Grok AI again. Now we paste it here. As you can see, we click on paste. And after we paste it here, the next thing we click on generate again. And when we click on generate, it's going to generate our video. As you can see, it's counting. So it's going to generate our video in less than some minute. In less than 1 minute, it's going to generate the video. So after it's successfully generate the video, this is how you are going to be doing it. And you'll be doing consistency character. All you just have to do, you double tap, you right click on the video. When you move the video to the end, after you right click, you copy the video frame and you paste it back and you paste your next video scene and it's going to generate it. Now, as you can see, it just started from where now this is the second scene. Now, the next thing you are going to do, all you just have to do is just to right click, you copy the video again, video frame, and you go back. After you go back, you paste it here. As you can see, you paste it here, and when you paste it, you go back to ChatGPT to copy your next prompt, and that is how you are going to be doing it to generate the full video scene. So after you successfully generate the full video scene, all you have to do is to head over to your CapCut or any of your editing tool. After any of your editing tool, you can use CapCut, you can use Video Insane, any video editing tool you are using to match the video and edit it so that it will look nice, just the way the one, just like those ones you just watched at the beginning of this video. So let me play them for you, my result for you guys one more time before we end this video. Now, the first thing to do to create that kind of video, all you have to do is head over to ChatGPT. If you have been following my channel here, I've been talking about ChatGPT. I used to use ChatGPT a lot to generate all my videos prompts. Now, as you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT here. I said I want to create realistic animal movie, like a wildlife, tortoise, lion, snake working together. First, the lion talk and tortoise reply, and then snake talk also. I want them, 3 of them, to talk. So I need a professional video prompt that I can use to generate long videos using Grok AI. So this is what I gave to ChatGPT. This is my video idea. This is the response ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, it says below professional production. So now this is the prompt I need. This is it. So as you can see, this is the prompt. Now, as you can see, say wildlife, cinematic 4D camera, so you can see everything. Now, this is our first video scene here. As you can see, this is the environment. This is how the environment description is. As you can see, say Africa savanna transition into a green woodland. As you can see, everything here. Now, this is our first character here. As you can see, this is our first character, which is, as you can see, snake and everything. Now, this is our video scene, how the video scene should be. Now, this is how everything is. Now, I'm going to show you how I generated the entire video right now using Grok AI for free. So, to do this kind of thing, after you have successfully generated your video prompt, everything, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to Grok AI. A lot of videos I talk about Grok AI. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on Imagine here, click on imagine here is to bring you to an interface like this. When it bring you to an interface like this, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now we'll be copying our video character, as you can see everything here in prompt. So I want us to copy from here like this. Let's copy so that we get everything here. Let's copy it. That is next also. Now this is our first thing here. We copy it. Now after copying everything, now the next thing. Now I want us to copy from this our character here. Let's copy here, as you can see. It's a lion here from this lion. Let's copy from this lion here. Let's copy down. You copy down. No, you copy down to this place. Let's copy our character. We need the character first. Character here. Now we click on copy. After we click on copy, we go back to group AI. Now we paste it here. Now we'll be generating our image. We click on paste. We are going to generate the image of the character. Now let's click on this generate here. We are going to generate the image of the character. So let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the image for us. So after I generate this image for us, we are going to use this image to generate our video. So as you can see, this is different type of image it generated for us. As you can see, this is different type of image. So we can decide to we like. So I want us to go with this one here, or this one. You can choose anyone. Let's just go with this one. We choose this one. Now, after choosing this one, the next thing we are going to do is to go and copy our first prompt, which we will use to generate this video. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT here. Now, this is ChatGPT. As you can see, this is our first prompt here. As you can see, it says this is our first prompt. We copy everything here. This is the first prompt. Then we click on copy. After we click on copy, we go back to group AI again. Coming back to group AI, we are going to paste our prompt here. What we just copy right now, we are going to paste it here, as you can see. After pasting it, we click on generate and we generate our video. So in less than 1 minute, group AI is going to generate the full video for us. Yes, in less than 1 minute, group AI is going to generate the video for us. So if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when we drop more videos like this, you are also going to be among the people to watch those videos. Now, after Group AI is successfully generate this video for us, I'm going to show you how you can consistently be generating the full video without missing any part. Now, as you can see, this is the video here. Now, as you can see, this is the video. Now, as you can see, this is the video where they were working together. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to click on this download and we'll download this video to our phone. Then, after downloading this video to our phone, we post it here and we move this to the end of the video, to the last part of the video. As you can see, after we move it, then we right click and we click on copy video frame. As you can see, copy video frame. Now the next thing we're going to do is to go back here. I'm showing you right now you can create long videos. So you now paste that video frame to we just copy now. The video frame, we paste it here. Now to continue our video, as you can see, this is the video frame. That is the end of that video. Now we'll now copy our second scene here. Our second scene here. As you can see, this is our second scene. Now, this is our second scene. We copy the prompt, as you can see, the prompt to this place. We copy, then we go back to group AI again. Then we paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here. After pasting it, the next thing we're going to do is click on generate. And group AI is going to generate the video from where it stopped without missing any part. It's going to generate the video and it's going to be continual video. You don't need to suffer yourself, it's going to do it for you. So let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for you guys. Now, if you have not subscribed, just do what I said. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you'll be getting latest videos like this. Now, it has successfully generated the video. Now, as you can see, without wasting any time, as you can see, it just generated video without even you will not even know that the video was even short video. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you new method again, how you can also do it again. Now you just click on download and you download it to your phone and you click on post. After you post it, you take it back again and you take it to the end again. You click on right click again using your laptop. You can also do it with your phone, but if you want to do it with your phone, you have to download the video to your phone and you save it so that you do screenshots. But if you're using laptop, you can do it just where I'm doing it. Now you click on copy video frame, then you go back again and paste the video frame here again. You paste it here as you can see. You click on paste. After you click on paste, the next thing I'm going to do is to go back to ChatGPT to paste it, copy your next prompt. Now this is our next prompt here again. The next prompt, we copy it to this place. As you can see, we click on copy. After we click on copy, we go back here again, Group AI. I will paste our next prompt here. You paste it here and we click on generate. After we click on generate, Group AI is going to also generate the next prompt for us. So this is how you are going to be doing it to generate the full video you want to generate. This method is what you have to follow. And after you follow the video method, it's going to generate the full video scene for you, and it's going to look like a professional long video, which you don't need to pay for any AI to do this. Now we have copied our next video frame. Now we go back again and we are going to do the next video scene. Now after this, let me show you. Now as you can see, the next thing we go back to ChatGPT again. This is ChatGPT. Now we copy our next prompt, that is this scene 4 here. As you can see, you copy it. You copy it to this place. You click on copied and we paste it here again. Click on paste.
Hope you guys are following up. If you are following up, please, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, please support me by subscribing to my YouTube channel so that anytime I come and drop full video, you are going to see how you are going to watch the video and you learn more about AI video creation. So if today is the first time you are coming across the channel and you have not subscribed, please do well to hit that subscribe button and make sure you also share this video so that a lot of people are going to benefit from this video. Once again, like this video, comment, and also share. Now, let's continue with our video. Now, we are click on generating. So, we just need to give you some minutes. And you're going to continue the video, complete the video. So, let's give you some minutes. This is how it is. So now our video is complete. So as you can see it right now. So we download the video to our laptop. So let's give it some minutes. Now let's go back again. Hope you guys are following. We'll paste our next prompt. So we're generating it scene by scene. We paste the video, copy the next prompt. Here, that is our scene 9. And that is our final scene. So let's copy everything. After copying, then the next thing we are going to do is to go back to Group AI again. And we are going to paste the prompt here. We are going to paste the prompt. Let's copy the prompt again. It seems the prompt did not copy. Now we click on generate. Now it's generating our video. So let's give it 1 minute.
So that is how you are going to do it, and you are going to generate all the entire scene. So after you generate all the entire scene, all you just have to do is to head over to any of your editing tool. You can use CapCut or you can use Insight or any video editing tool, so that you can add the video together and edit them. And when you edit them, it will look very nice, just the way you are seeing this one. Just the way you are seeing this one. So let me play the result again so that you guys could just the way you are seeing this one. So if you like this video, so if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Let me play you guys the video one more time so that you guys can see how the video is after I edit everything.
Now guys, I'm going to show you how you can also create Nollywood type of movie. If you want to create Nollywood type of movie, how you are going to do and how you are going to create it using your smartphone. So this is what I'm going to do right now.
So for me to be able to create that kind of epic movie you just watch, all I have to do first, I head over to ChatGPT. I always use ChatGPT to write my video script. So what you need to do on ChatGPT is to tell ChatGPT how you want your video to be. Your video idea, just tell ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write you the video idea, analyze the video idea, and ChatGPT is going to do it. Now, as you can see what I write here, I say it should start by camera viewing the village. Camera viewing the village from far away, sky showing the village forest, also the village king palace where a young lady of 20s, both feet shows in the ground with the mask. So you can just write your video idea, how you want the video should be. This is what I write to ChatGPT. And this is what ChatGPT first gave to me. Yes, ChatGPT gave me this, reading the video script. All you just have to do is just tell ChatGPT your video idea and ChatGPT is going to write it for you. So after ChatGPT writes all this to me, I read it out and I was not satisfied with what ChatGPT gave to me. I was not satisfied. So after reading everything, I was not satisfied. I have to tell ChatGPT again. I say, please try and add Nigeria in each thing so that AI will use to understand and also maintain consistent character. So because I was not satisfied, I was trying to generate the movie and it was sounding somehow, it looked somehow. I'm going to show you, don't worry. also on each scene, maintaining consistent character. So you just need to tell ChatGPT how you want it. And at the end of the day, ChatGPT gave me this prompt, and I read it. I was all satisfied with it. I like the prompt. So the next thing I did was to head over to this new AI tool. I use this AI tool to generate my image. So make sure you pay attention very well. Make sure you pay attention very well, because a lot of you they don't watch video to the end. You watch little and you forward the video, and at the end of the day, you don't get everything done right. So this is our first image prompt. As you can see, image prompt here, video prompt here, and this arm. As you can see, everything comes with the script, with the video stream. Now I use this AI tool here, and it is called, as you can see, this is the name here. It is called Whisk. As you can see, it is called Whisk. So this is how I generate all my image. I generate all the image. Now, for the first scene ChatGPT gave to me, which I tried, this is what it gave to me. This is it here. Let me view it so that you guys will see what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Now, these are all the images I generated using this AI tool. I use this AI tool to generate all the video image you saw. I use this AI tool to generate it. So all I have to do was to head over to ChatGPT, and when I get to ChatGPT, I was generating the image one by one. I was generating it one by one. Let me show you how you can also do so using this AI tool. All you just have to do is to head over to your Google Play Store or Apple Store. All you just have to do is just to head over to your browser, and when you reach your browser, you want to open this AI tool. It is called Whisk, and you register. After you register, the next thing you do is to head over to ChatGPT. For example, this is ChatGPT. Now this is ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. The first scene. This is our first scene here. Let's copy this. After copying, as you can see, we click on copied. After copy, we move to this AI tool, and this is it. We paste our prompt here. As you can see, you click on paste, and you click on generate. Make sure you select your resolution. As you can see, landscape. That is how I want it. Then you click on generate. After you click on generate, you give it some minutes for you get a minute. So let's give it some minute, and it's going to generate the image. this is the image it generated for us. As you guys can see, this is the two image it generated for us. Anyone you like among of these, you can just click on save and you can save it to your phone. That is all you just have to do. Anyone you like up here, you can just click on it and you save it to your phone. Now, after you save the image, the next thing you are going to do is to generate another second image again. Now, we go back to ChatGPT again. This is ChatGPT, as you can see. We come back to the second scene, as you can see. Then you copy a human barefoot here. Then you copy and you go back to the AI tree again. You paste your prompt here again. As you can see, you paste your prompt and you click on generate. And when you click on generate, when you check up here, it's generating the image here. So you just have to give it some second and it's going to generate the image for you. So this is the method you are going to use to generate all the image scene. Now this is the image again. This is it. As you can see, this is the image. You can check it out. Anyone you feel like using, you can just check it out and you download it to your phone. So this is how you are going to do it. As you can see, this is it here again. You check it out, you download it to your phone. So anyone you feel like using, you download it. So that is how you are going to do, and you are going to generate all the entire image scene. So this is the method I use. You have to retry it again so that it will generate. So now, after you have successfully generated all the image scene, the next thing you are going to do is to convert all the image scene to video. And to do this, all you have to do is to head over to your ChatGPT again. After you successfully generate all the image, you head over to ChatGPT. As you can see, this is the scene 1. And when you check scene 1 here, we have image to video prompt. So now we are copying image to video prompt and we are head over to Grok AI. If you have been following my channel for a long time, I usually talk about Grok AI, how you can use Grok AI to generate your videos. Now let's go back to Grok AI. This is Grok AI already. This is Grok AI. Now the next thing we are going to do is to go back here. Then we click on upload, and when we click on upload, we check where our file is and we upload any of the image. The image we downloaded, we upload the image, and after we upload the image, we go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT, and we copy the prompt. As you can see, we copy the prompt with the sound. As you can see with the sound. After we copied, we go back to Grok AI and we paste it here. As you can see, we paste it here. Then after we paste it here, then we click on generate and we generate our video. So that is our method I use, the method I use to generate all the image to video prompt. As you can see, everything here. As you can see, from beginning, as you can see, this is the village, this is the woman feet. As you can see, where she was walking to the palace. As you can see, I've already have the prompt, so the only thing I need to do is just to generate all the image. So as you can see, and this is how everything was done. This is how everything was done, how I generated everything. As you can see, how I generated everything. So you can also do this on your own. Just generate the video and it's going to look nice. Now, to record this type of video, the video you just watched a moment ago, I need to use different type of AI tools. I use ChatGPT, which I use to generate all my video prompts, everything. As you can see, this is the video script, scene by scene. This is everything. And I also use this AI tool, which is called Whiskey, to generate all my video images. As you can see, these are all the images I use to convert these images to videos. So I generate all the images. And the last AI I used was this AI to call Grok AI, which I used to convert those images to videos. As you can see, I've talked about all these AI tools on my previous videos. But one more time, let me explain how I did everything to you guys. The first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT, and I gave ChatGPT my video idea, and ChatGPT, so that the ChatGPT is going to analyze it and give me the video scene, everything. And this is the script ChatGPT gave to me. As you guys can see, this is it. I just copy it and paste it on my notepad. Now this is my notepad. As you can see, this is the scene 1 here. As you can see, this is image prompt and video prompt, and each prompt is here. According to ChatGPT, I gave to him, and this is what he gave to me. I've already shown you guys how you can generate your video script on ChatGPT on my previous videos. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you don't know how to generate your video script, You can watch my previous videos and you are going to see how you are going to generate your video script just by giving ChatGPT your video idea. So after I give ChatGPT my video idea, the next thing I do was to copy this image prompt. This is the first one for the first scene. As you can see, first scene here, and I copy this here like this. I copy this. After I copy this, as you can see, I click on copy. Then I head over to this AI tool. This AI tool called Whisk, and you want to register on this AI tool. And after you register on this AI tool, the next thing you are going to do is to click on create new project. And when you click on create new project, it's going to head over to this interface where you can start creating your images. Now, the next thing you are going to do is just to copy the prompt you copy right now for the image prompt, and you click on paste, and you check this, you change this to landscape. If you are using it for YouTube, if you are using it for your TikTok, you can change it here. But I'm using it for YouTube. I'll press this, and from there, I'll click on generate. And when I click on generate, in less than 1 minute, it's going to generate my image for me. And that is how I generated that. The first image you see on this video, on that video, that is how I generate the video, the image which I convert to video. That is how I generated. So let's check our gallery in our library here. Maybe it has successfully generated the image for us. Now let's check on images here. Let's check on images. And this is the image it just generated for us right now. As you can see, generate different type of image. So you are the one who will choose the one you want. So after you choose any one you want, you just downloaded it. So that is how I do, and I generate all those image scenes. This image scenes you are seeing, that is how I did it and I generated. All you just have to do is just to come back again to your video prompt, and you copy the second scene. As you can see, the second scene which says image prompt again, you copy it, and after you click on copy it again, the next thing you are going to do is to go head over to the AI tool, and we head over to the AI tool. You click on new project again. You can click on continue, and you can start creating your images one by one. So after you successfully create all your images, you have to create those images one. We have a lot of image prompts here, which you will be creating those images one by one. As you can see, image prompts one by one. So it gives me almost 10 scenes. So as you can see, scene 1 to scene 10. As you can see, this is the last scene here, as you can see, and it also has its own image prompt here. So after you successfully generate all the image prompts here, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to this AI tool called Grok AI. I've already also talked about this AI tool before. This Grok AI here, you head over to Grok AI and you log in, you register. When you log in, you register, the next thing you are going to do is to just upload those images you created. Yes, those images you created, those images you download. Now, for example, let me upload an image so that you guys will see how you can convert your image to video after you successfully upload all those images. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on imagine here. And when you click on imagine, you click on this dot here to upload your image. As you can see, you click on upload file. When you click on upload file, make sure you look for that image you just created. Make sure you look for that image you just created. So let me look for the image here. I have the image somewhere here. You look for the image. I have a lot of images which I've created so far. Now I think this is the first image here. This is the first image. I click on open. So after you successfully upload the image, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your ChatGPT or where you paste your video prompt, video prompt, your script. This is my notepad. Now I need to head over to the first scene again. The first scene where we generate the first image. As you can see, this is the first scene here. Now, as you can see, this is the video prompt. This is the video prompt. Then we copy this video prompt here. After we click on copied. You click on copy, and after we click on copy, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to Grok AI where we upload that image. Then we paste the prompt here, and after we paste the prompt, we click on generate. And when you click on generate, you give it nothing less than 1 minute, and Grok AI is going to generate the video for you. You can do this with your laptop. You can also do this with your phone. Yes, you can use your phone and do this. You can also use your phone and do it. Now, just give it some minutes and it's going to generate the entire video for you. So, if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do wait to hit that subscribe button. Now, it has successfully generated the video for us. As you can see, this is how the video is. This is the first scene here. This is the first scene. Now, the second thing we have to do is to go back again. You go back, we upload the second image. We upload the second image again. The second image we generated from the first image app. We upload the second image. Now, let me check for the second image. This is the second image here. We upload it, and after you upload it, you head over to your notepad, paste your video scene in the entire scene. You head over to your notepad here, and then you come back to the second scene here. As you can see, this is the second scene. Then you copy it, as you can see, video prompt here. Copy it here with this speech. As you can see, this speech, what the person will say. As you can see, you click on copy, and when you click on copy, you go back to Grok AI. As you can see, this is Grok AI. You go back to Grok AI. You go back to Grok AI and you paste your prompt here. You click on continue. And when you click on continue, it's also going to generate the video in less than 1 minute. So let's just give you some minutes and it's going to generate the video. So if you have not subscribed, just do what I say. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that when I start drop more videos like this, you can also be among the people to watch this video. All you just have to do, you can try it. You can use your phone, you can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you can do it. Yes, you can do it. Just believe yourself that you can do it and you can create something realistic like this. Now, it has successfully generated the second video for us. As you can see, this is the second video. So we just have to click on download and we download the video to our phone. And this is how you will be doing it one by one. You go to your notepad where you save the video scene, everything. Then you be copying it one by one and you'll be generating it one by one. So after you successfully generate everything, your video is going to look so nice. All you just have to do is just to head over to any of your editing AI, any of your editing tool, and you want to edit your videos together. Now, for me to be able to create that video, you just watch more video. The first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT, where I generate my video prompt. Now, coming to ChatGPT, this is how I started ChatGPT. I said, do you know a movie titled Jurassic World? And ChatGPT responded, yes, Jurassic World is a both movie title, and you can see. Now, after ChatGPT gave me this, now this is what I said to ChatGPT. Now, I want you to create the same movie using AI. So I want you to write a movie with a consistent character on that same movie. The actor, sound, voice, speech, every action on that movie. I want it to be realistic, just a professional movie. Please note, I want each scene should be 6 seconds each. Every scene should have image prompt and also image to video prompt with sounds, talk, actions. Make it 1 minute video. So, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. This is the script ChatGPT, as you can see. The video scene, as you can see, this is the video scene here. As you can see, scene 1. This is image to video prompt. This is image to video prompt, and this is image prompt. So, as you can see, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4. It gave me everything from scene 1 to scene 10 for 1 minute long video. As you can see, this is the end. Now, after ChatGPT gave me this video prompt, as you can see, after ChatGPT gave me all this, the first thing I did was, the next thing I did was to head over to this AI tool. As you can see, this AI tool called Whisk. For a lot of you who have been following my channel, you guys will be seeing recently how I've been using this AI tool to generate all my videos, images. Yes, I use them to generate videos, images. Now, let me click on sign in so that I'll show you guys how it works. I'm having network error. I don't know why.
I'm trying to fix the network back so we can continue with our video. So let me just, maybe it's on my network. Let me check something and try to fix it back. Maybe my Wi-Fi is disconnected according to what it's saying right now. As you can see, it's not, you are not connected. So let me try and connect it again. Maybe I don't have enough data. So let me try it again so that I will continue with the video. Please just give me some minutes. Let me check it out so that if I check it out, we are going to continue. So let's wait for it to load. I've connected the data back again. So now I've logged in back. So let's continue.
Now, after a successful signing, it will bring you to an interface like this where you can start generating your images. Now, for example, all I have to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. This is ChatGPT. Now, let me copy my first image prompt. As you can see, this is the image prompt. I'll just copy from here like this. I'll copy from here, copy the first one. Then the next thing I'll do, I'll move back to the AI tool and I'll paste it here. As you can see, paste, and I'll click on generate. Before you click on generate, make sure you select your image resolution. I want my image to be on landscape. That is for YouTube. That is why I select this. Now the next thing I have to do is to click on generate here. And when I click on generate, it's going to start generating my images. And you're going to see the image in less than 1 minute. Now when I go back to my library here, I click on my library, all the images I've generated for all the video scenes. Now when I come back to images here, you are going to see it here. Now the last image I generated right now, this is the image. As you can see, this is the image I just generated right now. These two images here. These are my previous images I generated for each scene from the video. For that video you just watched a moment ago. These are all the image scenes. As you can see, these are all the image scenes here. These are all the image. So for you to be able to generate the image, all you have to do is to head over to ChatGPT. You'll be copying the image prompt one by one. As you can see, you copy the second one. You copy the second one. After you click on copied, and after you click on copied, the next thing you go back to the AI tool and you paste your prompt here. As you can see, you paste your prompt. The second prompt you just copy right now. Let me click on paste, and you paste and you click on continue, and you follow this method to generate all your videos, all your images. You follow this method to generate it. Go back to ChatGPT. As you can see, you generate the third scene, the fourth scene. Every scene has its own image prompt. So you generate everything. That is the method I used to generate all these images you are seeing here. I was generating the image one by one, and after generating the images, I saved them to my phone. As you can see, these are all the images. You can decide to save them and use them for your videos. Now, after you successfully generate all your images, the next thing you are going to do is to convert your images to videos. Yes, you need to convert your images to videos. And to do this, you need to use this AI tool called Grok AI. I've been talking about this AI tool on my videos. In fact, all my videos, I use Grok AI to generate all my videos, to convert images to videos, to also generate images and to also generate videos from prompts. Now, after you log into your Grok AI, you sign up. The next thing you are going to do, you click on Imagine here, and after you click on Imagine, it will bring you to an interface like this, where it will ask you to upload your image. Now, let's upload our first image. Here, you click here, and you click on Upload Image. You can use your phone to do this, and you can also use your laptop. It's all the same method. You can use it. Now, the next thing you are going to do is to click on the image you generated. The image you generated. Now let me look for that image I generated moment ago. The first image I generated. This is the image I generated a moment ago. I'll click on open here. And when I click on open, the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again, where I will copy my image to video prompt. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Now we come back to the first scene here. As you can see, the first scene here, this one that has this image, this one, image to video prompt for the first scene. We copy everything here like this. We click on copy, and we click on copy. The next thing we are going to do is to head over to Grok AI, and we paste our prompt here. As you can see, we click on paste, and we click on generate, and it will start generating your videos in less than 1 minute. Is going to generate the video. And this is the method which I use to generate all the image to video prompts. After you successfully generate all the images, you come back to Grok AI, you follow the prompt again from ChatGPT, and you generate image to videos. Yes, you use Grok AI to generate image to videos. Now, let me show you those images I generated. As you can see, those videos I generated, these are all the videos I generated using Grok AI. As you can see, this is the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the fifth one, following by the images I generated from this AI tool. these images I generated from this AI tool, as you can see, all the images, I saved the ones I like and I left the ones I don't like. Yes, I download the ones I like, and after I download them, I use them on Grok AI, as you can see. I use them on Grok AI to convert them to be a video. As you can see, these are all the videos. These are all the videos, and here, these are all the, as you can see. Now, after you are successful, generate all the image to video prompt using your image you get from that website. The next thing you are going to do is to head over to any of your video editing tool. You can use CapCut or any of your editing tool. Now, let me show you how I get my video sound before I take you guys on how you can edit your videos. Now, on ChatGPT again, let me go back to ChatGPT. This is ChatGPT. Before the end of my everything, after ChatGPT generates all the image, video scene, after it generates everything, I said to ChatGPT, now I want you to write me the background sound I will use that will match the movie. I want to use Suno AI to generate the sound. So this is what I give to ChatGPT, and ChatGPT gave me this. As you can see, this is the video sound background, and this video sound background, I just copy it and head over to Snow AI while I generate the video sound which I use for the video. So this is how I generate all the video scene and both the sound, everything. This is how I did it. As you can see, this is the sound. As you can see, this is it. So you can use this method and also generate your videos. If you need the prompt which I use for this video, you can let me know in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to send you the prompt, or you can join my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel will be in the description of this video. I've been using this Grok AI to generate a lot of videos. As you can see, I use them to generate a lot of videos. Now, these are all the video scene. As you can see, these are all the video scene here. Now, I'll be showing you guys how I generated the entire video scene here. As you can see, these are all the video scene. I'll be showing you guys how I generate all the video scene. And the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT. I've been using ChatGPT to generate all my videos. Now, this is what I gave to ChatGPT here. I said I want to create to 50 minutes long Nollywood standard movie using Grok AI. So write me a professional movie script with 6 seconds of each scene, and I want it to be modern Nollywood movie. Everything they will say and do should be like Nigeria movie, and also the actor and actress. So this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, say realistic check important. So he gave me all this. He gave me this. He asked me what I need from you before writing. So he asked me, is it a romantic, family drama, crime? As you can see, with language, settings, which place I want the movie should be. Is it in Lagos? Is it in Abuja? So which actress did I want? He asked me for the actress. He writes everything for me, and I respond. This is my response to ChatGPT. I mean, family drama, English, pidgin, village to city, all the actors and actresses, classic, modern, Netflix. As you can see, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. And finally, ChatGPT gave me my prompt, which I use for the video. So these are all the prompts ChatGPT gave me, which I use for all the videos. So as you can see, this is all the prompt. And after I get all these prompts, the next thing I did was to head over to Grok AI where I generated my video scene. Now to do this, the first thing I do was to take the first video scene here. As you can see, this is the first video scene. This is the location. As you can see, say location, village, compound, money, and venture. And this is a sweeping where her brother Kensley dressed smartly with a small bag. So all I just have to do is just to copy this like this. I'll click on copy, and after I copy this, I will head over to this AI to call Grok AI. As you can see, Grok AI, and the next thing I have to do is to click on imagine here. If you have been following my channel, I've been teaching you guys how you can generate videos with Grok AI. I've been teaching that a lot in my channel here. So you can follow those methods, or if today is the first time you are coming across this channel, you can check my previous videos, and it's going to show you how you are going to generate videos using Grok AI with just a prompt, and you can generate a video. Now the next thing I did was to come over here and I click on paste, and I paste the videos script which I just copied right now, and I click on generate. And after clicking on generate, in less than 1 minute, it generates my video for me. So what you just have to do is just to give it some minutes and it's going to generate the video for you. Grok AI is one of the best AI tools that generates text to video in less than 1 minute. It's not even up to a minute and it's going to generate the video. So meanwhile, if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button. Now, Grok AI has successfully generated our video for us. Now, let's see the video. As you can see, this is the video where Adeze was sweeping just the way the prompt says, as you can see. Now the next thing we are going to do is to post this, and after we post this, we click on download and it's going to download this to our phone. And after it's successful downloading, the next thing we are going to do is to forward this our video. Make sure we forward it to the end here, as you can see. We just forward it to the end. And after you forward it to the end, you right click on your laptop and you click on copy video frame. After you click on copy video frame, the next thing you are going to do is to go back here, and after you go back, you come down here and you right click again and you click on paste the frame. The frame you just copy right now, you are going to paste the frame. And another. Now, after you successfully paste the video frame, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to Grok AI again, is to head over to ChatGPT again, and you copy of scene 2. As you can see, this is the scene 2 here. You copy it again, location, as you can see. You copy it. You go back to Grok AI. You go back to Grok AI and you paste it here, and you click on generate again. And when you click on generate, Grok AI is going to generate the video scene for scene 2. So just give it some minutes and it's going to generate it. This is the method you will be using to generate all the video scene one by one. What you just have to do, you copy your video scene from ChatGPT and you come back to Grok AI. Make sure when you come back to Grok AI, you do copy video frame, just the way I showed you a moment ago. You do copy video frame and the video is going to continue from where it stopped. Now, let's me post it again, and after I post it, next thing I will do is to click on download, and after I download, I will move this to the end of the video. After moving this to the end of the video, the next thing I will do, I will right click again, I will click on copy video frame, then I will go back, and after going back, I will paste the video frame here. After pasting it, the next thing I'm going to do again is to head over to ChatGPT again. After heading over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to copy my next video scene, which is the scene 3. Let's copy the scene 3 here. This is it. We copy it. You right click, you copy it. After you copy, you come back to Grok AI. This is our frame we copied a moment ago. Then we paste our link, script here and we click on continue. And it's going to generate it again. So this is the method you are going to use to generate all the video scenes. Even though you want 10-minute video, 1-hour video, 15-minute video, 3 hours video, this is the method you are going to be using, and you'll be generating the video scene one by one. And after you successfully generate the video scene, you head over to your CapCut or any video editing tool, and you are going to edit your video. You match them together, you put them together and edit them, and your video is going to look so nice. Now, as you can see, this is the next scene here, and you click on paste, you post it, and you click on download. And after you download, you move this to the end of the video, and you click on copy video frame again, and you do the same thing just the way we do a moment ago. So for me to be able to create that music, the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT, which helped me to write my music, because I'm not a musician, I don't know how to write music. So the first thing I did, I write to ChatGPT, I said, I want you to write me a professional music lyrics about love relationship titled Aisha, My Queen. I want it to be Afrobeat music type. Nigeria, I will be using Snow AI to generate the music. Then I give this to ChatGPT, and this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, title Aisha, My Queen, and Afrobeat and model, as you can see, tempo. So this is the music intro. When you listen to the music, when I play it, you see it. As you can see, say yeah, 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 oh na na na, Aisha, my queen. and verse. From the first day I see your face, my heart and the ground. So you just write the music lyrics for me. So this is the music lyrics, as you can see, with the chorus, with the pre-chorus, everything. And this is the final step, as you can see it here. This is it. Now, the next thing I did was to head over to Google. I head over to Google, and after heading over to Google, I search for Snow AI music, as you can see, and I head over to this place, as you can see, this second one here, and I tap on it. Now, after I click on it like this, it's going to take me to an interface where it will ask me to register. So I've already have account with them before. The next thing I'll do is just to click on sign in, and I'm going to sign in my account, so that I'm going to show you how I rented that music you just listened to a moment ago. Now, the next thing I did was, after, as you can see, say introducing not now, I'll click on not now. Now, after it brings you to an interface like this, you are going to click on music, create music. You can do this with your smartphone, or you can also use your laptop. Yes, you can do this with your laptop, and you can use your smartphone, but I'm using my laptop right now. So the next thing you are going to do, as you can see, you can decided to click on sample here, where you just write your music description only, and Snow AI is going to continue generating your music for you. But for the sake of this video, all I just have to do is just to click on customize here, because I've already have my music lyrics which are generated from ChatGPT. So the next thing I do was to come over to ChatGPT here, and I will be copying my music prompt. As you can see, I will be copying my music prompt that ChatGPT gave to me, the lyrics. I'll copy here from here like this. Let me copy from here down. I'll copy everything. I'll copy everything. You can do this with your smartphone till this place. Now I'll click on copy. Then after clicking on copy, I'll come back to Snow AI. Then I'll paste everything here. After pasting everything, the next thing I'll click on is to click on create music. And when I click on create music, I'll just give it some minutes, and it's going to create the music for me. And in Snow AI, you need license for you to get those music. So if you want to get the music for the license, you need to pay, but it is going to generate the music for you. Immediately you register the account, it's going to generate the music for you for free without paying for anything. But if you need license to that music, you need to pay. So you need to subscribe so that you can upgrade your plan. But they are going to generate the music for you for free. Now, after I click on the generate, it generates two music for me. As you can see, this is the track 1 and this is the track 2. Now, let me play it for you guys so that you guys will see. Let me play it. Now, this is the music. As you guys can see, so this is the music it generated for us. Now the next thing we are going to do is to just tap on the music. You can click on this share, and we tap on the music. Click on this arrow mark here, and we scroll down here where we're going to see download, and you click on download. You take it to MP3 download, and you click on download anyhow, and it's going to download to your phone. You click here, and it's going to download to your phone. Then after it's successfully download to your phone, you are now listening to your music. Now the next thing I do for me to be able to create that music video, the next thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT again. Now on ChatGPT, this is what I gave to ChatGPT. I said, now I want to create the music video of that music, so I want you to give me image to video prompt I can use to generate the images. I will use the generate the full music video to match the music lyrics and also image to the video prompt to match everything, add the music. Now, because ChatGPT already know the music lyrics, he is the one that write the music lyrics. So that is why I told him to give me prompt which I will use to generate images for the music video and also image to video prompt. Now, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. As you can see, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. It's a music concept, music video concept, Afro real love story. So as you can see, image to video prompt. As you can see, these are image to video prompt. Use this basic prompt. Then so as you can see, cinematic 4K love music video, Nigerian romantic. So this is the image to video prompt. Now this is the scene. As you can see, this is the scene here. African rising, Lagos City shine, fountain. As you can see, morning star. So as you guys can see, this is the image prompt, video prompt here, and scrolling down here, you're also going to see how I told Chat. These are all the prompt. As you can see, these are all the prompt. Looking down here, these are all the prompt. Now, the next thing I did was to head over to where I generated my images. I have to generate all the images from scene 1 to the last scene. Now, that is where this AI tool come in. This AI tool called Whisker. This AI tool, I've been using this AI tool for a long period of time now. You can search for the AI tool on your Google Play Store or your app. You can search for the AI tool on Google. So this is where the AI tool come in. Now, the next thing I did was to click on enter, and I start enter, click on enter to here, so where I start generating my images. I have to generate those images one by one so that I can be able to fit in what I need. Now, the first thing I did was go back to ChatGPT again. As you can see, this is the first prompt ChatGPT gave to us here. This is the first prompt, image prompt. So I have to copy here like this. After copied, and I go back to the AI tool again, then I'll paste it here. After pasting it, I select my ratio. I want it to be 16.9 for YouTube. So after I select the ratio, the next thing I did was to click on generate here. And when I click on generate, it starts generating my image for me. And that is how I did, where I generated all you see I used for that video. That is how I did, and I generate all the images. Now, these are all the images I generated. As you guys can see, these are all the images. My network is very slow. These are all the images. These are all the images because ChatGPT have already gave me every prompt I will use to generate those images. So as you can see, I just have to choose the one I want from this AI tool, which help me generate all the images. And to do this, all you have to be doing is just to go back to ChatGPT here, and you copy all this prompt and you bring it to this AI tool where it will be generating the image for you, and you are going to see all the images it generated for you like this. These are all what I use and the method I follow to generate all those images. Now, after I generated those images, the next thing I did was to turn these images to videos. And to do this, I use an AI tool which help me lip sync and which help me do the lip syncing for which help me do the lip syncing for the guy to be singing the music just the way you see it at the beginning of this video. So I head over to Google again. Let me head over to Google and show you how I did it. Now I search for this AI to call one. I see this AI to call one.video. One.video. This AI to this AI to here, and I click on it. And after I click on this AI tool, this is where I convert all my videos to images. All my images to videos. This is where I convert all my videos to images to videos. Now click on continue. And so this AI tool will help you generate perfect music video with perfect lip syncing, just the way you see a moment ago. So this is the AI tool which I used to do that, but it is a paid which I used to do that. So after you successfully register on the AI tool, the next thing you are going to do is to click on these videos here. As you can see, you click on videos, and after you click on videos, you click on this frame here, and when you click on frame, you are going to upload the image you want to use. Now this is what I will do. Now the next thing I will do is to click on upload from device here, so that I can upload my image, the first image I want to use. Now let me upload one of the image and show you guys example. Like this image right now where you were standing on the studio singing, then I'll click on open. Then after I click on open, I'll upload the image. Now let's just give it some time, and it's going to upload the image here. Now it has successfully uploaded the image. As you guys can see, this is the image. Now the next thing I will do is to click here where I will be uploading my music sound. Now I've already have the music on my laptop. Now the next thing I'll do is click on audio here, and I click on audio. It's going to take me to where I'll upload the music. I've already have the music on my phone, on my laptop. So let me take it to the music and upload the music. Now this is the music here, and I'll click on open. Now when you click on open, it's going to upload the music right now, as you can see, and it's going to tell you to trim the music to 15 seconds. As you can see, I have to trim the music to 15 seconds. So you need to have the music on your laptop and you trim it to 30 seconds, then you trim it to 50 seconds here. Now after you trim it, you click on confirm, and when you click on confirm, it's going to upload upload your. Now, all you have to do is to give it a description how you want it to do this image to do, how you want it to do. Now, the next thing I'll do, I'll just write a small video prompt. I will say singing and gesture and gesture. This is it. And after singing and hand gesture, and this is it. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is to move down here, and you move down here, you are going to see this place where it says 2.6. You are going to be using 2.6. The next thing you click on this aspect ratio here, and when you click on this aspect ratio, make sure you put it on 10 to 80p so that you get better result, and you put 15 seconds so that it will give you a perfect video for 15 seconds for that person should be singing the music. Now, after you successfully do all this, the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate, and when you click on generate, it's going to start generating your video for you. But it's going to take a longer period of time because you are using free plan. But if you subscribe to the AI tool, it's going to do it very fast. So, one thing about using a free plan is that when you save your video, after you successfully create your video for you, it's going to create it with watermark. You are going to download the video with watermark. So make sure you take note so that you expect what. So make sure you take note of that. Then if you want to also enhance the prompt, you can decide to choose that here. But if you have credit, maybe you subscribe, you are going to see your credit here. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on generate, and it's to start generating your video for you. So this is the method which I used to generate some part of the video where the guy was singing the music. And for some other part, I use Group AI to generate some other part. Yes, I use Group AI to generate some other part because I cannot use some other parts of the video. I use Group AI. Let me show you how I did that on Group AI also. Now this is Group AI, and I come to imagine here, and after clicking on imagine, I click on upload image here, I click on here, attach, and I click on upload. When I click on upload, the next thing I did was to upload, and I upload those images which are generated from the AI tool. If you have been following my channel, I've shown you guys how you can use Group AI to generate videos. So I upload those images, and Group AI helped me to convert those images to video. As you can see, I convert those images to videos, which I use for the music video. So after you successfully did everything together, the next thing you are going to do is to head over to your CapCut or any of your video editing tool, where you'll be adding up the videos together and you edit everything, and it's going to look perfect just the way my own is. So if you don't know how to do it, or you are finding it difficult to do it, you let me know in the comment section of this video to explain much better, and I'm going to explain much better, or do one-on-one class with you where I show you how I did everything entirely for free, where I will be showing you how you can also do it entirely for the editing and everything. So for me to be able to create that amazing Nigerian Nollywood movie you just watch right now, the first thing I did was to head over to ChatGPT. In fact, I don't need to explain much to you about ChatGPT again, because if you have been following me on my channel here, I usually use ChatGPT to generate all my videos prompts, all my videos prompt, and also how I want the video should be. So I don't think I should need to explain better about that. But be free, let's just take a look at it. But meanwhile, let's take a look at it because of the new people who have seen this video for the first time. Now, the first thing I usually did if I want to create my videos is to come to ChatGPT. When you come to ChatGPT, all you have to do is just to write your videos prompt. How you want your videos should be, how you want to structure your video. Now, this is what I write. I say I want you to write me Nollywood movies from help me write what detailed Nollywood movies scene. Movie is royal movie. That first scene, I want the throne view of. What you just need to do, I don't need to read all this. What you just want need to do, just explain yourself on ChatGPT. Give ChatGPT your video idea, how you want the video should be. How you want the video should be. Just tell ChatGPT and ChatGPT is going to give you your video prompt. Now, this is what ChatGPT gave to me after I gave him my video idea. This is all what he gave to me. Now, this is all what he gave to me, as you guys can see. Now, the video was so short to me, so I have to tell him that, okay, I want it to be like 1 minute video. You can also make it 1 hour video, 3-minute video, you can do it. Now, this is the first thing you will do here. After here, you see what ChatGPT gave to you, the prompt here, as you can see, it says consistency, character, description. As you can see, this is our character, this is the king, the prince, the royal guard, the maid, all the clothes they wear, everything. Now, this is the video prompt, as you can see. This is the image to video prompt, everything. As you can see, this is the second one, the third one, the fifth, everything. It generates everything. So the next thing we'll do is to generate our images. Now, I've shown you guys several times how you can generate your images. But don't worry, I'll also repeat that right now in this video, how you can generate your images using this new AI tool. Now you come down to your Google and you search for this AI tool. You search for this AI tool and you are going to see it. Make sure when you see it, you click on it and it's going to bring you to an interface like this. I use this AI tool a lot to generate my images, and that is because it gives me consistency, character, and it gives me consistency, character, and it gives me the result, the type of result I want. Or you can use any AI tool of your choice to generate your image. Now I'll click on Enter Tools. Now, the first thing you are going to do is to head over to ChatGPT again. When you come back to ChatGPT, the first thing we are going to do is to come back to ChatGPT. Now, we are going to copy the king here. You copy the king, as you can see. The prompt about the king, as you can see, you copy it. You copy this. After you copy, you go back to this here. This AI tool. Then you paste it here. You paste it here, and after you paste it, the next thing you are going to do is to select your ratio. You can use it for TikTok, you can use it for YouTube to generate your next image so that you will not miss the consistency character. Now let's go back here. You don't miss the consistency character. Now let's go back to ChatGPT. Now when you come back to ChatGPT here, you are going to see what it says here. As you can see, the first prompt here says a cinematic drone move view of a beautiful, luxurious Nigeria royal palace with a traditional modern. As you can see, it just writes it. All you just have to do is just pay attention. As you can see, say royal guard in pink uniform and standing at the palace gate, where royal maid in pink uniform move around. So as you can see, so we need this right now. And to do this, we copy this prompt here, and we'll copy this prompt. You go back to this AI tool. Now we'll go back to this AI tool. Make sure you click here. Now you click on this subject here.